your night vigil?
Each time I want to follow, I should sing, I should pray at home. I should watch the house.
Your night vigil.
How? I want to tell you what.
So, you buy your night vigil?
Yes.
And never see the night vigil now. Every on Tuesday in your year.
No. Like so Monday, Saturday, Sunday, any day at all.
So she goes at will?
Yes. Any day at all, any day. Another one. That's not the only thing. Anytime she just come back from this night vigil like this, before you know, she just walks straight to her room. She'll just shut the door at me. She won't allow me see her. She won't allow me greet her, not talk to her. Since the next day, she'll just be inside. Most times she don't even eat. She'll just be alone.
Are you sure of what you
Yes. She did that. Was it more days ago? She did that. She did not eat that day. She was just alone indoor. I did not see her until the next day. That's how she behaves each time she comes back from night vigil. Most times if she come back, she'll be excited. Most times she'll just be angry. I don't know why.
Well, it's okay. And she's not home tonight?
No. She's also been for night vigil. She's not home. She's not. I'm home alone.
Okay. Okay. I'll see you tomorrow. So let me give you
I want to leave so soon.
Yeah, I have to go. So yeah, I'm walk away. Okay. I mean, so I only attend to Akota. Yeah. Then you walk away.
Yes, thank you.
I'll see you tomorrow.
Bye-bye.
Okay, please shut the door. I mean, lock it.
Bye.
All right.
So that I can shut the door from there.
Yes, sir. In Muga, what kind of doing? Why is it Italy? You know, to do what I'm kicking my journey where what kind. Get it, you do my what kind. Sir. Baby. What's it about?
Sure.
Hi.
Oh, wait. Yeah.
Yeah, I'm fine.
You sure? What's wrong?
Well, yeah.
You see, my lord. You wonder when I was stressing with me. Why I couldn't why go there break down?
Professional man on them.
No. Well, I had one agreement, you see. I'm a patrol man. So I know where the Masaki was from the Malo. So I'm not active. So I don't from now.
Okay. Oh, I've been one with you.
No, that's fine. No, I'm okay.
Yeah, I'm here already. I'm in the room. Okay. No problem. I'm here.
Why couldn't one why not well,
Ija, brother, me kuma be na hina o e ko ni no ma be ya kuno. Ma we ma na.
Ki ba go meje na.
O gi me oguke ahun agba na be to me gba uke afo.
Ki no pe da ma mo bo ya no me ma me mo bo le.
No awo me na be mu yinu beta be ya be mo ya be awe awe ya kwa.
I wa kunu wa
Ma o ija ge bon no mota. Mu do mi ra me mi da wo ye ma wa no mo ko me. Upa ni ukwe ni ma pa wo wa. O no mo ko me ore ja pasan.
chatting o
Go wa.
chatting
Brother Sati.
tell me
Brother Tie we.
What's wrong?
but my name is idiota
Oh, what's wrong?
owo we yan bala jan wo yan mo igaga ewu some boy igaga
So, Mama,
Ki ba go meje na.
O go me gba uke afo.
you don't mean it. I am young, man.
yan mo we mo kunu yan
Amen.
O ti ma me mo ko no wa.
Ebe wa wo me.
Eh. Ma wa ye bo da. Be
we I
If you don't have to wa ta na ni anaya mi man ni mo ko ni ya.
that's all.
Ona mi na talogy.
Me o ma no mo ko me o. O ma.
Agwa loge.
Yala wa.
Gala wa.
This time for celebration.
yeah oh mo ko no wa o ya mo yan mo ko gbe ran me la wa la
But I do it there. Logic.
just look at the kind of table wo we yan mo and you see a rubbish in here when you have to see on my way you see the thing you avoid kele do ade okay no beso na o mo ko ni na beso do alo na heavy ya fe o na iwo na
Ni aka ma wo ya ma wa na ko ni.
even if you ma just fun yan wa ni ti ma we mu na o mu yan ma
Ugbe we ni me wu na. Ima me o.
then o my this is the shame I was talking about beg me ko wa de na
Ugbe we ni me wu na.
here for one man the same time
Ugbe we ni me wu na. Ah, me ma yen me le ni ahia. Agwa wo ya gwa le no no mo ko ni ya. Then we do this stuff in me ba. Mo mo ko ni ya. Ya ka ma mo ko ni ya.
13 well look at the shame now wait I to go in money that even the mothers every man with the man they will not be happy.
What are you doing?
Just busy with my assignments. It's a little bit difficult.
I can see. So, here you go.
She went for night vigil.
Night vigil.
Yes.
Oh, we're knocking.
Tuesday.
Today is Tuesday.
Yes.
On a Tuesday night, you're in night vigil.
She usually goes to night vigil. That was what she usually did.
Okay. I really mean we had it.
Yes.
Really can I will see. Okay. Alright, face the studies, okay? Try to get assignment work done. Okay? For security reasons, make sure where a huna uye. So that I may badge in Bania. Or I want to be the Bania where I allow and it will over in the future. So make sure you lock the door. We are back. Okay? Alright.
Bye.
See you tomorrow.
Sandra!
Mommy! Mommy, welcome. Welcome, Mommy.
Don't follow me. Don't follow me. Don't follow me.
Okay. You guys, that was very, very special. And the owner came up.
Okay.
Very, very urgent.
Meaning only who Ogadena waka bo.
Ma.
Okay.
Oh my dear.
Okay, mama. Mama jam of Ogade.
No. If you're ready.
Mama. Mama the mama. Mama with the right sauce. Who the shaker? Here. Who the shaker? Anyway, duty call.
So bueno.
Now you know.
So if we quarrel see now you're not smoking any yard. One way.
I am the mastermind.
If we go by.
Raymond, I was paid to kill. And that mission I shall accomplish. Raymond, you are going down today.
If we go.
Raymond, if I were you, say your last prayer. Because Edene around me are bossy.
Tori.
Will I?
Tori. If we go. If we could drop your gun. If we could, don't do this. Don't do this. Drop your gun.
Raymond, it's too late. Raymond, on late, I have no other choice than to see you fall down. I was paid heavily to make sure he moved so tall. And that mission, he must to accomplish it. Raymond, it's not my fault.
No. If we could, don't do this.
Mommy! Uncle!
No.
Drop your gun.
Sandra, Babanire.
Weko.
Sandra, leave there.
For the sake of this child, drop your gun.
Sandra, leave there. Sandra!
Weko, don't make me do this.
Sandra, leave there.
Drop your gun.
Sandra, leave there. Sandra, Babanire.
Weko, drop your gun.
Sandra, leave there.
For the sake of this child, drop your gun.
Sandra! Sandra, leave there.
Me I watch you where we really want you, huh? Maybe I will me.
Well, yeah, but when we have to wait, you know, so now we because they be with me. You be a canna. Oh, yeah, why you pam? Yeah, I'm a moya man. That's young, my anaka, as a senior brother, we are. Then we disturb him by.
Why he way only the meeting, why he way now.
I never do you know at where we are. You are the Mewu now. I will let me any hello.
Then you my tana, the way near any anti, we don't make up prevent here. No, the same thing may prevent all you soon.
When Nanya, oh, Nanya, Lady Medina and Mayane, maybe no, Yamahama, where no one more conia. Then we do ya book me by. I gonna way up when you are. I am master you do wire. I might have one I'm Kuliana. And then we disturb you with Meuna.
I bear me to a banana, level cleave and lower. As you will talk about our 1 to 1.
Mamma, you what? Eh? The man will do disturb in their banner. There are women with mine. Mamma, we're not with women, daughter friend. You have any other way. I'm walking, matter with me, daughter friendly. He matter. That's all I'm walking your moon. Obasi, baby, when women don't know. Baby, and we're waiting. I'm putting them. Mamma,
Sandra. No. How are you going to cook at Baba.
Police, moi j'aime voir.
Police, which way?
Papa.
I want to tell you. Police, which way? You have a back
My papa.
Oh, my God.
My.
I must say, no.
The reason is not like me, Nana. Today we not sure that me again na one day. Again na here come because you me worry wow. So my vera mo pa come. I have no other choice than to hawk. So again here come here. Every boys is so not raping me. So raping me na do find out where you are. You know what I mean? That's in already village. What's your deal with you? You know, Mama, anything. You know, bonjour. So, my very much back on Laro to the extent where you want to regwe. Abe elders, abe John Wewe ya. They were mocking me, mocking my father, calling me different names. Tamira me where. If we muera me gwa biko awe we muwe obi we mama no mweko ne. So I want to revenge. Oyami antiedo.
To the extent of entering into senior killing for money.
I have no other choice. Even another means of survival, I have to take care of my daughter, also take care of my father. So I don't have any other place or any other thing to do. You want to me where Avikpiani, although I don't know them, but I hate men because of what they did to me. Uwadiae, anytime they really had the see, I make sure we bear.
So what about so my no trace of them at all? This is sad. Well, if I could organize anyway, I still love you. But every government and my hands are tied. There's no way I can help you out. You have many means now. You have bad family. You have a win. You have to well. So for Pano, I have certain good government to go solve it. You're not winning. All the war. My hands are tied. My hands are tied. I don't even know what to do. I love you when you talk about love. I love you from the bottom of my heart. I love you. I have loved you before and I still love you. But I can't. You look like on your setting. There's nothing I can do.
Imam will do anything, man. I don't want you to do anything. Yeah, where a day will come like this. I am here with my police custody. I don't mind, provided me I was so young mommy. I did all this because of my family. The only thing I want you to do for me, no matter how it is, promise me one thing. That you will let me take care of my daughter because she's all I have.
I promise you that. Okay, I want you to know. You have certain one. I'll make sure I take good care of her. I can lack.
Please.
To stand as a father.
Tell my father I love him so much. Tell him I'm so sorry. That you should forgive me.
It's okay. Listen. If I can go down anyway, there's nothing I can do. Anyway, listen. Well, no sooner. So, Pompano, we don't real year. Yeah, could. You know, just to show you that fatherly love. I promised to take good care of you, and that's the same thing I promised your mother. Yeah, could. So, just, okay, but I don't know, my hands are tied. I don't even know what to do. But all I want you to know is that I will do my best for you to make sure you don't lack. Okay? Sandra. Listen, okay? We don't really have you arguing, so I gotta run. Just.
Is my mom going to come back or is she not coming back again? Will I ever see my mom again?
Yes. She's gonna come back someday.
When?
I don't know. So, they make sure we're Uwadiae, okay? She's not going to be there forever. Okay? It's okay. Listen. Listen.
Maria, velho. Tá. Vai comer hã? A mãe comeu. Ah, tá mamãe igwe, ogezo. Na wa bi won no mwe kuno wa bi ebe o ke ye no ya sunu e ke de no sunu bi ya fe ai ke na lavo. No, ogezo.
Mama no mwe come.
Ana ha. Mama no mwe kunu, mama no mwe kunu o wata kedere wade. We wata me na ewe. Ha? Wo mo hia. Abi emeri we hia. Meri we ma hina na.
Mama no mwe come o di me we o we ba mo di do mi di e ko pio.
O na me ha we emeri we ma hi, ha? O mwe ko gbere o wunya ma. Ama wo ye o do am ameko a.
Gbere bo mi me ni ne ko be ya re ruda wo ko ni ma pa wo wa ma ri le sho wo fi ma jo ma le zo bone wo be do fi ma wo ma do ri ma o ge bra sa ti no be do fi ma
Mu na no yi.
mi ma we gbere wo me we ko wa ipi ala o
Ya o li di a stress we be ya. O si ni ma na ku mo asu. Chofa. O mo ri ku we wo ma. Mo me bu e de wo ma.
au
Tamam ya di.
de mama no hin
La hona.
mama no hin
La ho. Tamam na.
Bros. Even you only have my way now here. About the man who na yama. Yama. Because ubabi nyagbe. Na ye make no na we babu who. Yama da ubabi nyagbe. O say man plan the video. When you have my own yama. Yama. Huh? Yama. Na
Inoge mata idula sefena where ababomo omo ya menwa omo no saka osaka kebe where omo na baba okwiri ase kega ya ga suwa en wa we no wa ho so ma wa ya ye enu bu wa we uda boy omono mirame jeude neme ga yo bio boge pa digwe obi pa digwe obi re tejo dona ya hie ko ona hie gira iwani abe patani mama ipata biziga na mu yaga o cf no do aji we boy football yawe wa agui so ma o kianson wa we ga hian so ma body anje eni bi enu waru wari wa we no wa ho so ma wa we alu e won yo won o awra isi awe